Hello everyone. Today I finished my 100 studies of 3-line drawings in 1 minute, which basically look like that more or less for each study. And what I've done after that, I've put them inside of my software to compute my top 5 error. And so if I go to the result at the end, I can see that I've made 100 drawings. Okay. My mean error is 5.8%. The standard deviation is 2.1. My minimum error is 2.2. My max error is 13. It only happened once, and it was for the first drawing, so I think I was just like super cold. I should have warmed up or something. Then the median is 5.3, and after that this quartile is at 4.2, and this one is at 6.8. Anyway, what I'm really interested in at the moment is the mean, and it's at 5.8, and I want to reduce it to 4. 4 would be ideal for here I'm giving myself 20 seconds per line, so it's really short. But if I could do that, if I could have like 4% of mean error in 20 seconds per line, that would be awesome. Anyway, if I plot all my percent of error for each drawing, here it's sorted. So here you have the less error, it's probably around 2%, and then there is the 13 one here. So it looks like that when they are all sorted out, and the histogram is like that. So it showed the amount of error here that are in 2% range, here it's in 3% range, here it's in 4% range, etc., up to 13% range. So it looks like that, the distribution. There is a lot of things that I've done correctly, and then after 6% of error, it starts to spread quite a lot on the left, on the right. So what I decided to do is that I will take all these this drawing where I've been messing up, where I'm above 6, because I would like to be below 5 or at 5 max. And so I've taken into note all these that are from 13 to 6. And what I will do is that I will redo all of them and try to get a lower mean score. And basically, it's kind of the same thing that you would do if you are doing machine learning and you are doing boosting. You will give back to your model all the input that were badly predicted, or if a more something more closer to reality is just if you're bad at something, you just try to improve on it. Basically, that's the idea. And if I do that, then I could have my mean error reduced by a lot, because these are the points that make my error so high. So I've also put them here to visualize them. So this is the first one where I have my big error, and the error is coming from here. I should just have selected it, pushed it a little bit to the side, and it would have been easily corrected. Here it's my 11% error. This one is just that the eye should have been just selected, pushed on the side. This one are 10% errors. What's the error? Didn't really take the time to look at it. Oh yeah, okay, it's too low. Maybe just selecting, moving it up a little bit, and here erasing a bit. All right. This one could have put it closer to the right, and here there is too much space. And I think it will just be that for most of them. Most of them, I think, will just be that my positioning is wrong, because what I've seen from now is that it's not really the curves that make a good score. It's more like the positioning that's important. So here, these one are something like 10 or 9% of error. Okay, this one is probably the 6% error. No, it's 7% error. This one, like that. Okay, just going quickly through it. If you want to pause the video and try to guess why I was at a high error rate for this one. And this last selection is my 2% error drawings. So I wanted to see what makes my drawings 2% error. And what I see is that it's always drawing that are more or less looking like something real. This could be like some guy with some hair and his eyebrow and his eye. Yeah, it's like a girl from behind with her hair and long hair. And it's like a bridge. It's like an eye, with a bit of perspective. It's like a fold, but also something that makes this drawing special is that each line is really related to the other one. They are close to each other, and I think that's a big part of it, where you see the connection between the lines. So I think it's probably more because the line have a close relationship to each other. They're close to each other. That make the drawing precise, because you have easier reference to take. And also maybe I just ran out of time on the other one. Anyway, so I'm going to stop for this video here, and I will rework all this one tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.